Well, hi everyone out there. I'm Shreya here, doing my BTech 4th year from Vienna Vignan Jyoti Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. Aspired to be a climate champion in 2011 because the depleting natural resources and the pollution do bother me. I guess they bother you. I believe in the fact that if you want to see the change, you ought to be the change yourself. In the recent national level technical symposium conducted in a college, Kannur Institute level, I conducted an event called as Green Challenge. My event Green Challenge had 3 rounds in it. The first round was environmental quiz, wherein basic facts, myths surrounding the environment were questioned. The second round was a case study, wherein a real-time crisis situation is given to students and they were asked how would they go on with it and come up with an alternative solution. The third and the final round was waste material management, wherein organic waste such as dried leaves, twigs, dried fruits, vegetable waste are given to people and they were asked to come up with any innovative and creative product. And mind you, there were many environmental enthusiasts who came up with very creative and brilliant ideas. In lieu with the same event, I have come up with this idea of paper bags. This is the Kannur's logo and this is the paper bag which was given to each and every individual who participated in the event. Coming to the Climate Champion 2011, I want to conduct the same event on a bigger scale. I want to go to the nearby slums, give them an amount of paper and ask them to come up with paper bags such that providing ₹2 for every paper bag they produce. In this way, I want to increase the number of people in my organization and then go to a nearby industry and urge them to work in accordance with us. And then to employ these poor people so that they get the daily wages and they are empowered, and as such there is a reduction in the usage of plastic bags and there is an increase in the usage of paper bags. Thus I want to take up my project.